been a long time. So, if you follow me on Instagram, you know my car was supposed to get painted. It didn't get painted. It is still primer and ugly. So, I'm going to paint it myself. Today, I'm going to focus on pulling the body apart. I'm going to pull off the fenders. I'm going to pull off the wing. I'm going to pull off... That's actually all I need to pull off, I guess. Oh, I need to pull off the skirt lip. I'm going to leave the wheels on for now, in case I need to move the car around. But yeah, take the headlights off. But yeah, we're going to get into this. Alright. So this is where I am at with the FD. I'm planning on taking the hatch off, but it's heavy as hell, and for now I'm just gonna leave it. I removed the antenna, I removed the windshield wiper. I'm gonna be plugging those holes. But yeah, it's not too bad. I think I started at 8 o'clock and it's like 1 o'clock right now. So I'm just waiting on my sandpaper. I need to either figure out how to put power to this and drop it down, or just remove the sunroof completely. And yeah, I need to remove the door handles too, but I'm gonna do that later. The next step is going to be sanding everything to metal. One thing I am worried about, so this panel right here is all Bondo. And when I first got the car, I didn't think anything of it. I bought the car on an impulse. And I didn't really pay much attention to that. And I noticed the trunk is heavy, so it doesn't have any shock, and it doesn't have any, Jesus, words. It doesn't have its OEM gas shocks in there. There's nothing in there. So I was like, okay, the trunk's heavy, so it must be like sitting in more. But then you go to the passenger side and it sits perfectly fine. So all this is definitely Bondo. I don't know how, I'm pretty sure it goes like up into here somewhere. So I'm worried about this, but I guess we will cross that bridge when we get to it. I might have to cut this panel out and find a wrecked FD and get that panel. See y'all in the next one.